unpair a first alert Z-Wave smoke and carbon monoxide alarm from a SmartThings hub, we open our SmartThings app on our mobile device. We tap on Z-Wave smoke alarm. We tap on the settings icon at the right top. We tap on remove. We tap on remove. We proceed by sliding out the battery drawer of the first alert Z-Wave smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, and we remove and reinsert the two AA batteries. We press and hold the action button while we close the battery drawer. We may now release the action button. The SmartThings app will show a confirmation message that the device has been successfully removed from SmartThings. We tap on OK. We have hereby successfully unpaired the first alert Z-Wave smoke and carbon monoxide alarm from the SmartThings hub.